What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm gonna quickly show you how to transfer photos and videos or any sort of data from one iPhone to the other one seamlessly and conveniently without using any sort of cable wiring and without losing quality as well. And the coolest part, you do not even need connection to the internet. My name is Shaq, and in this channel I do cover a lot of tech hacks and tutorials, so if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. It really helps me out. Now here we go, I'm gonna hop into photos real quick, and let's say that I wish to send a photo here to my other iPhone. Let's say that this is the picture in here, for example. I'm gonna quickly tap on share real quick, and next up I'll be able to see airdrop in here, and then I'm gonna tap on airdrop real quick. Now it's important for you to turn on airdrop on the other iPhone device as well. And how are we gonna do this? We're gonna bring down the control center real quick. We're gonna tap in here, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Now once you're done turning on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you want to tap here at the top right corner where you do have airdrop, and you want to ensure that it's set to everyone for 10 minutes. Okay, so once you tap on everyone for 10 minutes, the iPhone will show up in here real quick, and all you need to do is simply tap on the device in order to send that specific picture. Next up, simply accept it on the other one and you're good to go. You've just sent a specific photo to the other iPhone device. Now please note that in a few iPhone devices you may be having difficulty in finding that other device's name. You may be surrounded by 10 or 15 iPhones, and maybe you're confused the name of the other device. If you're confused and you don't want to miss and you don't want to send that specific data or image to a stranger, then what you can do is simply hop into settings real quick. Next up, you want to scroll down all the way to general, and then you want to tap here on about. Next up here at the top, you do have your name in here, and this is the name that will be displayed whenever you wish to receive a specific picture or photo or video through airdrop. So you want to tap on name if you wish to edit it, and you can change this to something else, and whenever someone searches for your airdrop contact, this name will be displayed in here. Now please note that you can also send other type of files. For example, let me close this, let me open files app in here. For example, let's say that I do have a sound, an audio, or a PDF document that I wish to send to someone else, right? So I'm gonna tap here on share, and then I can go with airdrop, and then same process, I'm gonna find the other person's contact. I just need to send it to the other phone and then simply accept it real quick. Next up, that PDF file will be stored real quick, and here the next thing I can do is tap on share, and I can send it to people on WhatsApp. I can send it through email, for example, or send through messages on iMessage to any other person using my iPhone device. Now the coolest part is that you can manage to transfer any type of data regardless of the format and the type of content. Now this was it for today, guys. If you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubts. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.